Welcome to speedearning.com. We are discussing here how to short sell for out of money call and put for any stock and getting a very safe profit here, and minimum risk is there. So how can we go for it? nsindia.com. You just go to equity stock and see which stock is there who moved already, and then the profit booking has come and it is in a range. If there is range bound movement, then that stock may be good for short selling in case of call and put. Suppose we are choosing Coal India here. So you just check, Coal India showed a big movement last week and now it came down and it is in a range. So we just went to option chain and we are selecting a far out of money call and put. So out of money put is 380, far out of money 380 put is there, 2.3, 2.6, and 430 will be the call, 2.3, 2.5. Now we shall go again to details of Coal India. Just go to Coal India Limited, get derivative code, okay, choose the stock option, Coal India call, we are going for 430 call, okay, get data. What was the previous close? Previous close was 2.4 and it made a high of 2.95. It opened at 1.85 and low is 1.85. So Coal India given us a low of 1.85. So there was a chance to earn 50 paisa in your short sold call. The lot size is 1000. Now I am selecting the put here. Put is 380. This is 380 put. Get data. Previous close was 2.8, open 3.4, high 3.5 and low is 2.15, closed at 2.6. So here also we can see there was a chance to make minimum 800 to 1000 rupees profit and there was no big risk. When short selling of call and put of any stock is risky, if there is a big move, sudden big move is there, then short selling of call and put may be very risky. So I suggest you to take far out of money call and put. Suppose in the beginning you should take 7 to 8% far. Suppose stock is 300 rupees, then we should go for 270, 240, 270, 260, and for call it should be 330, 340, maybe 350. So suppose if there is a gap up opening of 10 or 8%, still you may be safe there. So you are getting a chance in the morning. If there is sudden big opening, you just try to cover the losses there, and then we shall see the results in forthcoming days, because it is not happening all the days. Extreme movements may be on 10 to 15% days only. So if you are trading for 100 days, there may be risk on 10 days only. So if you are calculating the total loss and profit, then this method works well. So you can calculate the same combination on all other stocks from different sectors. So I suggest you to practice this technique, and before that you will have to confirm that what your broker is charging you for selling call or put of any stock. Is he charging you the margin of future, total margin of your future? If he is charging, then you will have to arrange for a big capital, that may be more than 2 lakh, but it's okay. If you are getting 1000 to 1500 rupees per day profit, then it is 0.5% daily, and there is a possibility to maintain 100 to 150% profit with total safety. Thank you very much. Bye. Keep practicing.